Imagine you're wandering through the labyrinth of your daily life, lost in thought, when suddenly the universe decides to whisper directly into your ear. It's an ordinary Tuesday, and you're sitting in a cafe sipping coffee, pondering over a decision that could change the course of your life. The weight of this choice presses down on you like a heavy cloud. Just then, a song starts playing in the background. A song that, by all odds, shouldn't mean anything to anyone else but you. It's the same song that was playing during a pivotal moment in your past. A crossroads not unlike the one you're facing now. This isn't mere coincidence. It's a moment of quantum synchronicity, a sign from the cosmos that you are exactly where you need to be, doing exactly what you need to be doing. This scenario is not just a tale of happenstance. It's an invitation to explore the profound and often mystifying concept of quantum synchronicity. What if I told you that these seemingly random moments of alignment are not random at all, but are instead the universe's way of communicating with us? What if these synchronicities are clues to understanding the interconnectedness of everything and everyone, revealing that in the grand scheme of things, what you seek is indeed seeking you? You see, this is the essence of quantum synchronicity. It is not just about the uncanny alignment of seemingly unrelated events. It's about the deep interconnected web that weaves through all existence. The concept, though rooted in the mystique of quantum physics, transcends the boundaries of science and ventures into the spiritual realm. It suggests that at the quantum level, everything is entangled and our thoughts, desires, and the universe are in a continuous dance of creation and discovery. This reminds me of an ancient parable I once read. The parable goes as follows. There once was a young seeker who traveled far and wide in search of a legendary sage. This sage was said to hold the knowledge of the universe's secrets. After years of searching, when the seeker was about to give up, he stumbled upon the sage in the most unexpected place. His own village. The sage revealed that the journey was necessary for the seeker to realize that the answers he sought were always within him. This tale mirrors our quest for understanding quantum synchronicities. We look outward for signs and confirmations, not realizing that the universe is not just around us but within us, guiding us towards our true purpose. Quantum synchronicity challenges us to see the world not as a series of isolated incidents, but as a tapestry of connections. It beckons us to look beyond the physical, to tune into the subtle vibrations that guide the flow of life. Each moment, each encounter, carries with it a message, an opportunity to align more closely with our highest path. But how does one begin to notice these signs, these whispers of the universe? The first step is to quiet the mind. In the silence, we can hear the universe speaking to us through the language of synchronicities. It might be a chance encounter, a recurring number, or a song that plays at just the right moment. These are not coincidences but cosmic signposts guiding us toward our destiny. Carl Jung, a Swiss psychiatrist and psychoanalyst who founded analytical psychology, offers a profound lens through which to understand the essence and significance of synchronicity. Jung coined the term synchronicity to describe the simultaneous occurrence of events that appear significantly related but do not have a discernible causal connection. For Jung, synchronicity unveiled a deeper order and meaning in human experience, challenging the prevailing mechanistic worldview that dominated the sciences of his time. Jung's exploration into synchronicity was not merely an academic exercise but stemmed from his personal quest to understand the human psyche. He observed that the meaningful coincidences and patterns in life often transcended the individual's understanding and seemed to point towards a larger, more universal plane of existence. Jung proposed that synchronicity revealed the operation of an archetype, a universal symbol or theme that resides in the collective unconscious. This collective unconscious is a concept Jung introduced to denote a shared psychic space that harbors the experiences and knowledge of the entire human species. Jung's interest in synchronicity was also deeply influenced by his engagement with quantum physics. He was contemporaries with physicist Wolfgang Pauli, and their exchanges highlighted the parallels between psychic phenomena and the quantum world. Jung saw synchronicity as a bridge between the psychological and physical realms, suggesting that the psyche and matter are not separate entities, but are interconnected in a meaningful way. This perspective was revolutionary, suggesting that the mind could influence the material world and vice versa in ways that conventional science could not fully explain. In practical terms, Jung suggested that synchronicity serves as a guide for the individual's personal development. He believed that by paying attention to synchronic events, individuals could gain insights into their unconscious mind and discover directions for personal growth. For Jung, synchronicity was not only a theoretical concept but a lived experience that could facilitate the individuation process. Individuation, a central concept in Jungian psychology, refers to the process of becoming aware of oneself, integrating the conscious and unconscious aspects of the psyche, and achieving self-realization. Jung's theories on synchronicity also emphasized the importance of symbols and dreams. He argued that symbols were the language of the unconscious, a means through which it communicates. Dreams, therefore, were seen as a rich source of symbolic material that, if interpreted correctly, could reveal the workings of the unconscious mind. Through the lens of synchronicity, dreams and symbols could be understood as part of a larger interconnected cosmos where internal and external realities converge. Jung's insights into synchronicity have had a lasting impact on psychology, spirituality, and even areas of study such as quantum physics. His work invites us to consider the possibility of a deeply interconnected universe where mind and matter are intricately linked. By acknowledging the role of synchronicity in our lives, we open ourselves to a broader understanding of our place in the cosmos and the mysterious ways in which the universe communicates with us. As we continue our journey into the heart of quantum synchronicity, we find ourselves at the crossroads of science and spirituality. Here, the mysteries of the quantum world beckon us to look deeper, to explore the fabric of reality itself. Quantum physics, with its particles that exist in multiple places at once and communicate instantaneously across vast distances, offers a scientific foundation for the mystical experiences that have fascinated humanity for millennia. At the core of quantum physics lies the principle of entanglement. This phenomenon suggests that particles can become linked in such a way that the state of one, no matter how far apart, instantly influences the state of the other. This spooky action at a distance, as Einstein famously called it, challenges our traditional notions of space and time, hinting at a universe where everything is interconnected, where the separation between you and the universe is an illusion. Imagine for a moment that every thought, every desire, every dream is like a quantum particle entangled with the fabric of reality. When you send out an intention, it doesn't just disappear into the void. It becomes part of the cosmic web, influencing and being influenced by the universe. This is the essence of quantum synchronicity. It's not merely about the alignment of external events, but about how our inner world resonates with the universe. This concept is beautifully illustrated in the ancient philosophy of Hermeticism, encapsulated in the principle, as above, so below, as within, so without. This idea suggests that the macrocosm, the universe, and the microcosm, the individual, are reflections of each other, connected by a series of correspondences. Quantum synchronicity is a modern expression of this timeless truth, revealing how our deepest thoughts and desires are in dialogue with the universe. But how does this dialogue happen? How do our personal intentions connect with the vastness of the cosmos? The answer may lie in the mysteries of quantum fields. These fields are the underlying fabric of the universe, a sea of potential from which all particles, and perhaps all experiences, emerge. When we focus our intentions, we might be tuning into these fields, aligning our energy with the energy of the universe. This alignment doesn't just influence our external reality. It transforms us from the inside out. It's as if the universe acts as a mirror, reflecting back to us not just what we desire, but what we need to evolve to grow. Through this process, we come to realize that the journey of quantum synchronicity is not just about manifesting our desires, but about becoming more attuned to the universe and our place within it. But how can we actually use quantum synchronicities to transform ourselves or our reality? As we delve further into the heart of quantum synchronicity, we embark on a journey that transcends mere understanding and enters the realm of transformation. Here, the principles of quantum physics become not just concepts to be grasped, but forces that shape the very fabric of our lives. This is where the magic of alignment reveals its true power, offering us a path to personal and spiritual growth that is both profound and life-changing. Imagine for a moment that your life is a river flowing toward the ocean of your deepest desires and dreams. Quantum synchronicity is like the undercurrent that guides this river, subtly steering it through the landscape of existence. When we align with this current, we find ourselves moving with a sense of purpose and direction, navigating life's challenges with grace and ease. This alignment is not about forcing our will upon the world, but about surrendering to the flow, trusting that what we seek is indeed seeking us. The transformative power of alignment begins with awareness. It requires us to be present, to pay attention to the signs and signals that the universe sends us. These are not always grand gestures. More often, they are quiet whispers, a feeling of resonance with a particular path or decision. Learning to recognize and trust these signs is a crucial step in our journey. It is about developing a deep, intuitive connection with the flow of life, one that guides us toward choices that resonate with our true selves. As we align with the universe, we also align with our own inner being. This is where the concept of synchronicity moves beyond the external and touches the core of who we are. Each synchronistic event serves as a mirror, reflecting aspects of ourselves that we need to explore, heal, or embrace. Through this process, we are invited to shed the layers that no longer serve us, to let go of fears and limiting beliefs that hold us back from realizing our full potential. This path of alignment and transformation is beautifully illustrated in the parable of the lotus flower emerging from the mud. The lotus reaches towards the light, blossoming into a thing of beauty. Similarly, we too can rise from the challenges of life, guided by the light of quantum synchronicity, to realize our true nature. This journey is not always easy. It requires faith, courage, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. Yet it is in this space of uncertainty that the greatest growth occurs. The power of quantum synchronicity also lies in its ability to connect us with others who are on a similar path. It is as if the universe orchestrates encounters with people who can teach us, challenge us, and help us grow. These connections, often unexpected, are a vital part of our transformation, reminding us that we are not alone in our quest. They are a testament to the interconnectedness of all life, a reminder that our journey is part of a larger cosmic story. As we become more attuned to the signs and messages that guide us, we also learn the art of co-creation. This is the realization that we are active participants in the unfolding of our destinies, working in partnership with the universe. Co-creation is about setting intentions, yes, but it is also about letting go, allowing the universe to guide us toward outcomes that may be even greater than we imagined. It is a dance between desire and surrender, action and trust. But which practices can be used to apply these principles? How can we actually use the principles that we have now come to know well? Embarking on the journey of quantum synchronicity invites us into a living dialogue with the universe. This dialogue, rich and multifaceted, flourishes through practices that heighten our awareness, deepen our connection, and fine-tune our ability to receive and act upon the synchronicities that guide us. These practices are not just tasks to be performed, but are doorways into a more profound experience of life itself. At the heart of our exploration lies meditation, a sanctuary of silence where the chatter of the mind is stilled and the whispers of the universe can be heard. Meditation cultivates a state of deep presence, allowing us to become more receptive to the subtle currents of synchronicity. Within this quietude, mindfulness arises naturally, a gentle awareness that illuminates our everyday life, transforming mundane moments into opportunities for insight and connection. Creativity serves as a bridge between the seen and the unseen, a conduit through which the messages of the universe flow. Engaging in creative activities, be it painting, writing, music, or dance, opens us to the realm of intuition and imagination, spaces where synchronicities love to play. Here, we are not just creators, but collaborators, co-weaving with the universe a tapestry of experiences that reflect our deepest truths. The natural world, with its cycles and rhythms, reflects the intricate dance of synchronicity. Spending time in nature, whether walking through a forest, listening to the ocean, or simply sitting under a tree, reminds us of the interconnectedness of all things. Nature teaches us to move with the rhythm of life, to observe the signs and symbols that guide us, and to honor the sacredness of the present moment. Keeping a journal is a powerful practice for recording and reflecting upon the synchronicities that occur in our lives. By writing down these experiences, we not only acknowledge their significance, but also begin to discern patterns and messages that may not be immediately apparent. Journaling becomes a dialogue with the self and the universe, a space where insights can unfold and understandings deepen. The next step is setting intentions. Setting intentions is a deliberate act of co-creation, a way of aligning our deepest desires with the flow of the universe. Unlike rigid goals, intentions are held lightly, with an openness to the myriad ways they may manifest. Through intention setting, we signal to the universe our readiness to engage with the dance of synchronicity, inviting opportunities and connections that resonate with our true path. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the abundance of the universe. By cultivating a practice of gratitude, we shift our focus from what is lacking to the abundance that surrounds us. This shift in perspective is magnetic, attracting more of what we appreciate into our lives. Gratitude not only amplifies the synchronicities we experience, but also opens our hearts to the beauty and mystery of existence. As we integrate these practices into our lives, we become more attuned to the language of the universe, more adept at navigating the flow of synchronicity. This path is not linear but a spiral, leading us ever deeper into the mysteries of existence and the discovery of our true selves. Quantum synchronicity invites us to embrace the journey with wonder, curiosity, and a profound trust in the unfolding of our destinies. As we stand at the precipice of understanding and the vast unknown, our journey through the realms of quantum synchronicity brings us to a profound realization. The dance of the cosmos and the dance within our souls are one and the same. We now reach the most important part of the journey, embracing the infinite to recognize ourselves as not just travelers through time and space, but as integral threads in the fabric of existence. In order to do this, we must shatter the illusion of separation. Quantum synchronicity unveils the illusion of separation, revealing a universe where every atom, thought, and heartbeat is interconnected. This understanding beckons us to see beyond the surface of reality, to recognize the unity that underlies the diversity of existence. It teaches us compassion, for in understanding our connection to all, we see the other in ourselves and ourselves in the other. To live in synchronicity is to live in alignment with the flow of the universe. It means listening deeply, not just with our ears but with our hearts and souls. It is to act with intention, knowing that our every thought, word, and deed ripples through the cosmos, shaping our experience of reality. Living in synchronicity is a practice, a way of being that honors the sacredness of each moment and our role as co-creators of our world. At the core of quantum synchronicity lies the wisdom of the heart, a wisdom that transcends logic and reason. The heart understands the language of the universe, the silent whispers of destiny that guide us toward our true purpose. Trusting in this wisdom, we open ourselves to a life guided by synchronicity, where each step, each choice, leads us closer to our deepest truths. Quantum synchronicity is not an end but a beginning, a call to adventure that invites us to explore the mysteries of existence with open minds and hearts. It is an invitation to witness the magic of the universe, to participate in its unfolding drama, and to discover the boundless potential that lies within us. This call to adventure is ever present, beckoning us to step into the flow of life, to embrace our destiny as beings of light and purpose. As we reflect on the journey we have undertaken, we realize that the exploration of quantum synchronicity is an infinite journey. It does not culminate in answers, but in ever deeper questions, each step revealing new horizons of understanding and possibility. This journey transforms us, peeling away the layers of illusion to reveal the luminous essence of our being.